guys, welcome to ElliottWave-Edge. Today, 8th July 2024. Yesterday, I have show you one Bitcoin analysis. So let's do the further. You can see here, I have counted it as A, B, and C correction, zigzag correction. My target was 48,000 to 42,000. Just you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see here this is a dramatic sell-off. I can count it as a, let's count inside this way. You can see here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is in progression. So it's more like this. This kind of setup and trend is downward. You can see here the volume is increased. That is shallow volume and suddenly spark. So still we are in a downtrend, and I'm expecting this is the extended wave. So we may see at least the target 48,000, and if it is extend toward 161, then our target is around 42,000. So we have initiated sell call here around 57,500, and our stop loss was 58,500. So now still we are in a trade. And let's check gold. On a high time frame, it's kind of we are in a fourth wave. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both cases we are in a fourth wave. This is around NFP data. It's like spark. So this is 1, 2, 3. Let's check where is the Fibonacci. Yeah, it is exactly near 161.8%. We may see the correction. Where is the next buy opportunity? So you will see the correction between 57.6 to 50.65. This is the area we have to watch. And after completion of this correction, we may see the upper level rally towards the 2400. This is the complex correction, second wave. So we may see here ABC, X, ABC. This is the type of correction. And here ABC, X, ABC. So this is the area you have to watch between 2365 to 2375. Now let's check USD from 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 50, unfolding, yeah, exactly 38.2%. So either it is completed here or it may complete it near 166. Let's analyze this way. This is the 1, 2, 1, 2 kind of pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is running. Yeah, it is near 23.6%. Next is around 159.346. So we counting as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. So our next target is above 164. Here to what here? 159.86. Let's enter this correction. It seems like a zigzag correction. ABC at ABC. ABC at ABC. So 123 to 138 is around 159.500 to 159.300. So this is the area of interest, 159,300 to 159.500. If we see only 5 anyways from here, then our next target is first 152, then 153.8, which is a nice reward entry. The more important is execution, how you execute the trade. In this way, if here your entry is right, then you can get 1 is to 10 to 1 is to 100 risk reward. But your execution should be powerful. In the same case, we have entered in this BTC at around 57,500 with a stop loss of $1, $1,000. If we get any another adding selling position near 600, 100, then our position will be increased and our next target is 48,000. So you can add on each bounce. If we get any bounce like here, another bounce here, another here, so at the end of the day your position will be 10 times or 100 times. Now let's check Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar on a high time frame, this is the wave 1 during the corona time, 2020. Then it is continuously going down with the correction. 6.65 not reached, then we are still in a second wave. Some I have seen some people saying here second wave completed, something here, but still I have doubt that we are in a second wave because you can see here the volume is continuously down, and I cannot see any third wave personality in this wave or in this wave. So just wait and watch. This is the weekly chart. The Aussie dollar needs to cross this level. This is the pivot point, 68,800. As you can see, cross like this. This is the way one, two, three, 4, 5, and only ABC correction, then we should enter in this way. You can enter with the SL of this candle around 0.66 which is around $1 SL. So this is my analysis for this week. Hope you enjoy my analysis. If you like, then share it and subscribe. It gives me the motivation.